How to redeem promo codes in WEBTOON. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. First up, I'm gonna show you guys how can you get promo code for WEBTOON. In the search box, type in WEBTOON promo codes and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get promo code for WEBTOON. So go ahead and open any of it. Once you're on the website, scrolling down, you're gonna find the codes. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy the code. Then you have to head towards the website of WEBTOON. Then you will see the section of redeem code. Over there you'll need to paste this code and click on the option of redeem. With that, the code will be redeemed. Likewise, you can also give a try to other website. Just head back, navigate to any website. You're gonna get the code for WEBTOON. Use the code. Check the expiration date and copy the code and use it. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily redeem codes on WEBTOON. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.